Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background noise in videos using mobile. So in this case, I'm going to use the YouTube Create apps to edit the videos and remove its background noise. So if you want to make your videos sound crisp and professional, you can use this new tool on YouTube Create to easily remove background noise directly from your mobile. And this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process to clean up your audio effortlessly. So first, you can just download the YouTube Create apps. If you are on iOS, you can go to App Store, but if you're on Android, just go directly to the Google Play Store, click on search, and then just find YouTube as the keyword and scroll down until you find the options of YouTube Create app. So this is the app. As you guys can see, I've already installed it. Let's just hit on open to launch the app. Okay, now this is the YouTube Create app. So what you need to do in here, you can click on this plus icon and find the videos that you want to download. Sorry, you want to edit. Okay, so I'm going to edit those videos right here. Tap on import. And now this is the video that I want to edit and remove its background noise. So what you need to do in here, you can see this is the menu at the bottom. And if you want to find the audio cleanup or the enhanced speech tool on the YouTube Create, you can click on the video on the timeline, swipe through the menu, and you'll find this option audio cleanup. So now it says audio cleanup the name, but in the past it is called the enhanced speech tool. So you can just tap on this audio cleanup button and the YouTube Create will do its magic and remove the background noise on your videos. You can just wait. And now you can see audio cleanup remove background noise, and just like that the noise will be removed from your videos. So clean audio is crucial for engaging viewers and delivering your message clearly. So I hope with this tutorial you'll learn how you can use YouTube's create free tools to elevate your video productions quality in minutes. If this tutorial helpful for you, smash that like button and share it with your friends. And if you still got question, you can drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.